Batisi TV, Lawan Rashapi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Chairman jong Regional Committee nakabenta ko West Khasi Hills District uba Renekton Lingdo Tongkhar ulay thu ba Shen ko committee kan sepin bana ya katarik nakabenta ban lay Sorjamin ya Shnong gibadan hagi chaka bay ka Khappud hagi benta jong ko West Khasi Hills District bat ka jala Assam hagi jeng kran bigala pathai khubur hak khanyo trik nai weng arajar arpuar uba Renekton ulay thu ba walla ka jing persang banyapen bay ya ka than langpi kalong ka bajawat ba Henry ko committee kan sawat ikilat kilinti bat kani ka jing penbay yaw put usam hakathan langpi kanlong dak basngap ya kamon bat ka sur jong upat ba nambaro arliang mamla.
The meeting of the regional committee at Nongston once, and we have decided in that meeting that we will be going for a site inspection. So yeah, time is running very fast. I thought that within 10 days time we will go for the site inspection, but we could not make out the time till today. But tomorrow I will fix the date with the Deputy Commissioner, and by next week I will find the date to go to Langpi for the site inspection. So that is the news as of now about the regional party which I am heading, and we are trying to call also after the inspection. After the inspection, we will have another round of meeting for the recommendation. So that meeting will be very, very important, where all the members, all the stakeholders will come, and we will make a necessary recommendation to the state government with regard to the villages falls under the Langpi sector. From our committee, we will be trying to complete within time, within 45 days as given. We will try to complete within that time. The government of Assam, they still need to constitute. I was not aware whether it has been constituted, because just not even 1 month back when I met the minister concerned over there, he said that the committee has not been constituted. So, but I don't know whether it has been constituted now, but we will go ahead from our side. Easy, in fact, we understand it is difficult. Yeah, Langpi area is very complicated because mixed ethnicity are there. We have got Nepali, we have got Garos who stay there. So it is not an issue, but it's possible to settle. I hope that it's possible to settle, and we will be able to settle. Base what we have done on the first phase, even though there are 5 principles, but you know that this ethnicity and the willingness of people has dominated. So I hope even this time also, willingness of people will play a very important role to decide where the villages will belong. So that's why it's very, very important for people to be free to express whatever they want to express. And it is very, very good if people can be united. It's very, very important. We expect the people, they should collectively take the decision as the entire village, and if possible the entire area, so that we can settle at once. Because if there is a mixed reaction, if some group of people wants to be in Meghalaya, some group of people from the same village wants to be in Assam, it is very, very difficult to settle such kind of villages. But if entire village can take the decision, or they want to be in Meghalaya, it will be very easy for us to take the decision on those villages. What I cannot say, because we will be going for site inspection, as I said, next week, so we will get the real picture, the real numbers only when we come for the inspection. Let's see, we will go to all those villages, but whether they cooperate with us, whether they come on the day when we will be going for the because you see, this inspection only from our side, we will not go to ask people where they want to be, because we want to do that only on a joint inspection. Because we cannot claim, Assam cannot believe on our say that these people from that village, they want to be in Assam or they want to be in Meghalaya. They would like to see only by their own eyes and to hear what people say. So we will go jointly and we'll take the people's decision, the people's willingness, only when we both go on the spot. And better about the geographical area, about the line, so that we can keep the suggestion when we have the meeting jointly, whether the natural boundary, how to draw the boundary, all those things we will go to understand better about the area of Langpi, because as you know, boundary, I mean natural boundary, is one of the thing that we consider. So we will see that also. That is important for us to understand while discussing with the counterpart. So, survey by the Survey of India that is going on, because to identify the exact location, still need to do the survey. So that is on the job, and with the understanding with both the district administration, they are doing the job to really listen to the people's willingness. We may be able to find the solution. Of course, we understand that those people, especially Nepalese, they don't want to be in Meghalaya as of now. We know that they would want to be in Assam, but the area, it seems it is too difficult because they are residing in the middle and surrounded by Khasi villages, by Nepali villages, or by Garo villages. That's why we want to say, we want to understand. I was told that it's like that, but we will go for the site inspection, then we will really understand, and we will try to discuss with Assam if they can consider all those, since the area, since it has been surrounded by the Khasi villages, by the Garo villages, it will be very, very good if we can convince government of Assam that all those Nepali villages also to fall under government, under Meghalaya boundary. It will be very good. We will try to do that.